Okay, so tonight we are eating at the campground. It's extremely hot outside, so we're not going to do anything too crazy, so I'm just going to show you real quick what we're having. We're going to be making basil parmesan orzo with corn and a side salad. So basically we're just going to bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Add everything that's in this package, which is orzo, basil, probably some salt and pepper, nothing too crazy. Simmer it for 5 minutes, and then we're going to stir in some cheese and have it with bromade lettuce. We're also going to be boiling up some water for Chitra's tea. Chitra heading off to get water. We got the water, the 2 cups of water boiling, up close and personal. We're going to add some butter. The butter is primarily, well, it will make it taste good, but it will also keep the orzo from sticking. So we're just going to look at that do its cool thing. Woo, that's so neat. It's like an animal in there. Turn down the heat a little bit without turning it off. Doing this all with one hand. Just wait. So now we have our package that we're going to throw in to the stuff. I've added all of the ingredients that were in that bag that I made from home into the water with the butter. Stir it up so it's all mixed. Then I'm going to add corn, sweet corn. You can add as much as you like. A whole container might be a little bit much, but I'm not sure if leaving any is a good idea, because then we'll just have to store it. Let's ask Chitra what she thinks. Chitra?
Yeah.
Do you think that this recipe requires an entire can of corn?
Yes.
See, I told you what she would say.
Corn is good.
Okay, so I guess we're adding
You done with it?
the entire thing of corn. Here we go. It's going to be very corny. Get it? Corny. We got a bit of a slant on our picnic table. Okay. So now we are going to simmer it. I'm going to cover it for a little bit, and then we're going to simmer it for 5 minutes, and if we need more water, we will add more water. Can you check out our, up here? This is our brand new 20 by 20 Kelty Noah tarp. You can see in the background there. It's a sweet tarp. Okay, so you have to keep an eye on this and keep stirring it, because it will stick to the bottom, especially because we're cooking on a camp stove, and camp stoves are not very easy to simmer with. So keep watching it. If it seems to be sucking up the water too much, you can add more water. You can see it's thickening quite a bit. Bubbling. If you have fresh basil, that's all really nice too. We actually had some the last time we made this, and it really gave it a nice punch. We are at Bon Echo right now, in the middle of our 7-day stay here during our 26-day camping trip to provincial parks in Eastern Ontario. See, I'm thinking that it looks like it's going to probably need a little bit more water. So there we go. Now normally we would add the Parmesan right to the pot, but then that's extra cleaning while you're camping, because cheese is very difficult to get off a pot. So we're just going to add some Parmesan cheese right to the top, and we'll mix that in. Add however much as you enjoy. We enjoy lots of Parmesan. Chitra has made some Caesar salad.
Oh, hello.
Pardon?
I did not know you were videotaping.
You did not know I was videotaping you.
Lovely
So?
Caesar salad.
Yeah. With croutons. And that's what we're going to have for dinner. There you go. Enjoy.
Thank you.
And someone thinks she should have some.
Stay.
Hey, cold water. Yeah. Are you a good girl? Yes, you are. Yes, you are a good girl. She's not much of a mooch, but she does her best.
Hi, cutie.
So, basil orzo with Parmesan and Caesar salad. And Chitra's having a tea, and I'm having a mini ginger ale.